Good day. I am from Global Ace Agency here in Malaysia, and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Just Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
No, ma'am.
Are
No,
you
ma'am.
okay? So what no means what?
No,
No
you asked, ma'am.
hesitation.
Wait, ma'am. No hesitation, ma'am.
Okay, so our
Sorry.
interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Ma'am, your signal is low. Is weak. I
Okay, so
can't.
you can you hear me now or what?
Yes, I hear, but they are all cut.
Okay, so I repeat again, ah.
Not too much clear, ma'am.
Okay, I repeat
Okay, ma'am.
again. So our
Okay.
interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Noah? So, can you
No.
help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I start. Okay. Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Mary Rose P. Del Rosario. I am 35 years old and I live in Black 9 Lot 1, Metropolis, Bagumbong, Barangay 171 North, Caloocan City.
Sorry.
I am my religion is I am Roman Catholic and I have one daughter. She is 5 years old and my previous experience, I am ex-abroad. I am came from Doha, year start of 2022 until 2024. And my height is 5'2" and my weight is 8 is 57 kilos.
Okay.
And
Okay, go on.
and about my background for my you can trust me and I'm honest, kind about my job. I know how to clean. I know how to iron, wash clothes, and for the pet, I know how to take care pet, dog, cat, birds, and rabbits.
O-
And for the kids, I have a continue. I have a previous experience about the kids for 5 months until 2 years old.
Okay, so that one you take care a child way back you're working in Doha, Qatar, correct?
Yes, mom.
Okay. So, I would like to know some more. Are you single or married?
Single mom, but I have one daughter.
You are single mom, okay? So, single mom or single with live-in partner?
Yes, mom. With live-in partner.
Single with live-in partner, ah?
Yes, mom.
Okay, so you mentioned that you work in Qatar and you finish your contract, correct?
Yes, mom.
You mentioned that you work in Qatar and you finish your contract. So you also take
Yes,
care
mom.
a 5 months old child until she grew up until she became 2 years old, correct?
Yes, mom.
Okay, did you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing while you work in Qatar?
Yes, ma'am. I have.
Okay. So what happened? Why you didn't continue working to this employer?
Ma'am.
What happened? Why you decided to go back home in the Philippines and didn't continue working there?
I've done my contract, but and then I have finished my contract. After that, I want to have a vacation to my family, but and then I want to have more experience to other country. Just
Okay.
because they said one of the Malaysia is the safest place.
Okay. So You okay also to take care elderly people?
It's okay, but tell me what is the rules and regulation for the elder.
Okay. Can you caregiving also for bedridden patient and disabled person?
It's okay, ma'am, but can you just teach me, give me the rules and regulation for the elder because sometimes they have, sometimes they are the elders they have six. They tell me what is the
Okay.
rules
So
and
may
regulations that I don't know.
okay. So May Rose, you know you already got working experience abroad, right? So you need to be flexible, you need to be
Yes, ma'am.
multitasking. You already experienced it in Qatar, okay? So you need to apply it also once you reach and once you work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
Are you mentally stable? Okay, so do you have any sickness? Do you
Madam,
feel any
can you?
sick in your body? Are you healthy?
No. Yes, ma'am. Sure, healthy.
Okay, sure. Ah? Later you come here, mom. I got sickness, so I don't want. So you are healthy, okay? You don't have any
Yes, ma'am.
operations?
Except for my pregnancy, ma'am, I have a previous pregnancy CS cesarean
Oh, cesarean.
for my
Okay.
daughter.
So cesarean, ah. So we were going to
Yes,
declare it.
ma'am.
So, May Rose, you have a 2 years contract. It's not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, and it's not 2 months. Okay? It's a 2 years contract. You need to finish that. Otherwise, you have a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency. Nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, and you're the one who decided to come and work here, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you aware of our rules and regulations regarding usage of mobile handphone?
Yes, ma'am. I'm aware.
Okay, you cannot hold your phone for the whole day because you are working. But rather than, you can hold it during nighttime after you finish your job for the whole day, like 2 hours or three to contact your family back in the Philippines. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm okay, ma'am.
Okay, on your rest day also, of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week. But you will going to stay inside the employer's house. But of course, if you will work on your rest day, employer will going to compensate your salary, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, normally how do you fight your homesickness?
Ma'am, I love music, ma'am. Just listening. That is
Just li
always my habit.
Oh, are you sure that you can combat your homesickness once you already listen to music?
Yes, ma'am. Just music only, ma'am.
Okay. So why did you choose to come here in Malaysia, Mayros? Why you didn't choose go Singapore, Hong Kong, or any other countries because they got higher salary than here in Malaysia?
They said Malaysia is one of the safest country in the whole world. So I want to try myself.
In
That's
the
why I choose
whole new
Malaysia.
world, is it? Okay. Okay. So I give you a situation. So what will
Yes,
you
ma'am.
do? What will you do if you didn't do anything wrong lah to your employer, but still they are not like happy the way you work? So what will you do?
Just tell me if I am right or wrong for my job, then I can correct it properly.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if employer get angry with you or get angry with you but you didn't do anything wrong, so will you answering him back or her?
No, ma'am.
What will
Just
you do?
go. Ma'am, just listen and then just what she wants, go. And
Uh,
what her or him.
okay.
Don't fight back.
Okay, very good. So we need to humble ourselves. We need to respect our
Yes,
employer, okay? Because we are the
yes, ma'am.
one who come to their country because we want to sustain our family's needs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so I think that's all for now, Rose. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because agents here in Malaysia will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so
Thank you
much.
and have a good day.
Thank you.
Bye.